Hi everyone, it's Dr. Elizabeth. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So today, it's all about the cheese. Raw vegan, plant-based that is. So if you have just gone vegan or you've been vegan or raw vegan for a while and you're dying for something yummy, cheesy, and delicious, today is your lucky day. All right, let's stop talking about cheese and let's go make some. All right, let's go.
Hello, my beloveds. Hello, how are you? Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to be back with you guys. You don't even know. For some reason this week, I don't know what it was, but I had massive technical difficulties in trying to make this video for you guys. I literally have been trying to make it for 3 days, and problems with the camera, problems with recording. I finally am recording it on my phone. All that to say, nothing is going to stop me from making these videos for you, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys today. So it's really early in the morning. I just got back from my morning walk and my morning meditation, which was so beautiful and so peaceful, and now I get to spend this part of my morning with all of you, and I'm so happy to be here. So first of all, I love that you guys loved my last couple of videos. Thank you so much for all of your beautiful comments, and I really saw that you really enjoyed the What I Eat in a Day video, which I promise you I'm going to be doing one of those at least once a month, if not more. And also I love that you loved my concept with the food haul last week and the mixing and the matching, which is why today we're going to be doing a mix and match. And I heard all of you, it was an overwhelming number of you who were requesting the cheese sauce. So today, it is all about the cheese. But you don't have to worry, and you can indulge because it's raw vegan cheese. This is dairy-free, this is gluten-free, this is free of everything that's bad for you. It's healthy, it's delicious. I will let you guys know it does have nuts, so if you have a nut allergy, make sure you don't eat this because we are going to be using cashews as our nut base. So just to give you guys a little heads up on that. And do you guys like my little setup? Let me know if you like my new setup here. I've just felt so confined and like squished in our tiny little kitchen, so I like this. I have beautiful flowers on my table, and I like having everything set up for you guys so you can see. I heard you guys, a lot of you said, okay, Dr. Elizabeth, we really want to see what you're doing. We want to see what ingredients you're putting in. So I am going to do a little close-up of that. So there you guys go. Can you see? So you guys can see exactly what's in it. So with no further ado, let's get this cheese party started. So the base of this cheese, because it is raw, it is vegan, it is raw, and it is vegan, is cashews. So we're going to start with the cashews, dump those in there. We are going to do 1/2 of a red bell pepper, pop that in there as well. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. You can use pine nuts, you can use sunflower seeds, but this, I like hemp seeds because it gives it kind of a really nice little nutty taste, and they're also incredibly good for you. They have omega fatty acids in there, which are really good for your skin, good for your hair, good for your body. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, which are really delicious, and they have kind of a soy sauce kind of taste to them. We're going to just do 1 tablespoon of that. If you have a sodium restriction in your diet for whatever reason, instead of that, you can literally take 2 celery sticks, which are loaded with healthy sodium, and replace the coconut aminos with this. That's just another option if you guys want. We're doing 1 green onion. I'm gonna dump that in there. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. If you like it really cheesy, you can add 3. And then if you want your cheese to be like a tomato basil cheese, all you have to do is add some sun-dried tomatoes in there and a little pinch of basil, and it gives it a whole different flavor. If you want more of a dessert cheese, you can add in some coconut nectar, which is a this is a really lovely sweetener. So, but for us, we're just gonna leave it the way it is here. I think that's it. Now, I'm just gonna add a couple tablespoons of water. So we're gonna go ahead and do like, let's just start 3, 4. And you kind of wanna, you guys can kind of play around with this. It's funny, I was thinking about this the other day. You know that phrase, give a man a fish, he eats for the day. Teach a man to fish and he eats for a lifetime. So since we're vegans, I was thinking what would be a great phrase. So here's a phrase I like. Give a woman an apple, she eats for a day. Teach a woman how to plant an orchard, she eats for a lifetime. So what I'm sharing, when I share these recipes with you, instead of just saying, okay, it's this amount of this, this amount of this, this amount of this, this amount of this, everybody's a little bit different. Some people like things more savory, some people like things more salty, some people like things a little more sweet. So as I give you all these ingredients, you can play around with it and cater it to your own taste and your own liking when it comes to food. Okay, now, ça suffit maintenant, oui? Andale, let's go. Now, let's go ahead. I have to add a tiny bit more water to this. So let's go ahead and we're just gonna do that. And let's go ahead and we're gonna mix this up, you guys. All right. Now, since I'm gonna want it a little thicker than this, I'm going to put it on high and mix it up again. Let's go ahead and take a peek at what we have here. Oh my God. So now that I've made the cheese sauce, I'm going to show you variations on what you can do with it. Again, we're keeping with the theme that we started last week of mixing and matching our food wardrobe, which is why I have all these beautiful things laid out.
The first is going to be a soup. This is the perfect consistency for a raw vegan cheesy soup. So you're going to grab yourself a bowl. You can put some delicious vegetables inside there, and you're just going to go ahead and pour in this delicious cheese sauce, and you can even garnish it with a little kale on top. And if you have a high-speed blender, you can actually heat this up so that the soup will be hot, but it won't be over 118 degrees, so it won't denature any of the nutrition that you're getting from the soup. The second thing you can do is take a delicious raw vegan coconut wrap, layer a bit of cheese sauce over the bottom, place a bed of kale over the cheese sauce, slice up an avocado, you can slice up some mango, slice up whatever fillings you'd like, roll it up. Now you have an incredibly delicious 100% plant-based raw vegan wrap. And the next option is raw vegan cheesy pasta with kelp noodles. Here's how you prepare the noodles.
Soak them in the baking soda. Like I said, you could do it in lemon and water if you'd like as well, but I was in a hurry, so I just did this. And then you rinse them off very, very well. And if you look, they just look just like pasta noodles. They taste like pasta noodles. And make sure you dry them. After you rinse them off, make sure you dry them, otherwise it dilutes your sauce. And now, my beautiful friends, let's move all this over to the side so you guys can really see this. You are going to make a delicious cheesy pasta. This looks so insanely delicious. Oh my God. You're gonna just go like this, mix it up. Wow. Oh my God. This looks insanely delicious. Wow, 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 wow. So we have cheese pasta. You can take some sun-dried tomatoes, lay those over the top. You can take a little bit of kale and sprinkle that over the top as well, just as a little garnish. So now, let me get a fork. Oh, you can also slice up a little bit of avocado and put little chunks of avocado. So instead of having meatballs in there or sausages, we have delicious avocado. Chop it up. I know I don't have a fork, but I just have to take a bite of this because this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is my favorite. the pasta with the cheese sauce. Oh my God. Mwah! Muy delicioso. This is the coup de grace. This is the dinner. Oh my God. I can't talk right now. It's so good. I can't wait for you guys to try this. I think this is probably my best creation thus far for you guys. Okay, let me be professional and put the plate down. All right, so my beloveds, you have beautiful meal options, all with the same delicious cheesy sauce that you can use for a snack, for lunch, or for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Message me and let me know if you try this recipe. I literally can't wait for you guys to try this. It's so good. I hope as I'm talking to you, I don't have cheese sauce all over my face, because I literally just dove into that. So I think that is it for this week. Message me below and let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. I know in the queue we have a Q&A. You guys really want to know my story, how I came to live this healthy lifestyle, and I would love to share that with you. So that'll be one of our upcoming videos. Also, let me know in terms of manifesting. We still never did our manifestation board. Let me know if you guys would still like to do that. Let me know if you like recipe videos. We'll do more recipe videos. You guys are the boss here. We make whatever you want to make. So you let me know what you'd like to hear, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it for all of you. Okay, so while we're at it, really quickly, we're not gonna do much with the love map today, but you guys just have to see. Look at this. I have to bring it up here so you guys can really see. All these languages. I hope you guys can see it all. I don't have my regular camera that has the flip side, so I can't really see what you guys are seeing. So hopefully you can see everybody here. But look at all these different languages. Everybody's saying I love you. So much love on this channel, you guys. There's just so much beautiful love. And I love all of you so much. And thank you so much for letting me know how to say I love you. Oh, somebody asked in Hungarian, you asked about that. So there you are. Right there, and a couple others. Someone in Welsh also, it is on here as well. So I was looking through the messages and you're like, hey, Dr. Elizabeth, I don't have you on here. But I believe both Welsh and Hungarian are both on here. So just take a peek and make sure you're on here. And if not, give me a holler and say, hey, Dr. Elizabeth, pop me on the love map. All right, my loves, let's go ahead. You know what? Let's just put this right here for right now. There we go. Okay. All right, my beloveds, until next week, you guys know I love you. I love you to infinity and back. There are no words. I can't say enough of how much I love you. I appreciate you so very much for being here. You're the reason this channel is in existence. I created this for all of you, to connect with all of you, and the fact that you guys come and spend your Saturdays here with me means the world to me. It really does. And your beautiful messages, I'm so touched. I love you guys. Every single one of you, so much. All right, my beloveds, until next week, mwah, happy skinny dipping in the fountain of youth, and happy cheese dipping.